Meaning of disruption.
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 Disruption. Disruption refers to a significant disturbance or interruption of normal processes, often causing societal or economic changes. Disruptive events can create both positive and negative outcomes, as they challenge traditional systems and force adaptations. For example, the emergence of ride-sharing services disrupted the traditional taxi industry but provided more affordable and convenient transportation options for consumers. However, disruptive events can also cause chaos and uncertainty, leading to job loss and financial instability. Overall, disruption has the potential to reshape the way we live and work.